ago it come down like crazy, man. The day after the storm. This is how it looked the day after the storm. Yeah, just doing a little walk around. So go ahead and check it out. Yeah. Alright, the storm out now. So that's what it looked like, gonna be like for a couple of days. Alright. All snow still on the ground. It's gonna stay here for a couple of days. No matter how much sunshine, unless it rains, it will wash all of this away. So this is just to show people who live in the Caribbean and other countries who don't have to deal with snow. Enjoy and keep watching, man. Love it. Share my adventure with you so you can get the full experience of what snow country looks like.